Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going in with ColourPop times RawBeautyKrtisti collection again. This is part 2. I also have a different look that I filmed with this collection. On my lids, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. The first color I'm going to take is called Fiddlehead. I'm going to take this color on a Morphe M514 brush. I'm going to start by taking this color right in my crease, kind of like in the middle of the eye, and I'm just going to start slowly blending this out. I'm going to also place this color on the end of my eye here. And sorry if you guys hear barking, it's something that I can't control because it's not my dog, but just letting you know, disregard that. Next, I'm going to take this color called Puffball to help me blend out this green color called Fiddlehead. I'm going to take Puffball on a Makeup Shack T81 brush. I'm just going to go along the edges of this green color starting in the front and just slowly blending that up. Okay, like that. And as you can see, this brown color Puffball kind of took over the green. So now I'm going to go back with that green color called Fiddlehead, and I'm just going to bring this color back to life and blend it up into that Puffball color. Now I'm going to go back into the palette and grab this brighter green color called Emerald City. Using the same Morphe M514 brush, I'm just going to brighten up the green that we have already with this Emerald City color. So I'm just going to kind of add it on my lid first, because I don't want to take over too much of that green. I still want that green to kind of show, but I'm just going to kind of take it on the lid first and then just slowly blend it up. Next, I'm going to take the Super Shock shadow from this collection as well, and I'm going to use the color Like a Moss. Just going to put it in the front here, kind of like tap it on first. Then I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M514 brush. With no extra product on it, I'm just going to sweep over the shimmer just to kind of blend it in with that Emerald City color. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back for the bottom eyeshadow look. Or actually, I'm going to do my liner first. So I'm going to take the MAC Cosmetics Liquid Lash Liner, and I'm going to just quickly line my lid. I'm also going to take that black color in the palette. I totally forgot that there was a black color. So I'm going to go in with this color called Light Rain, and I'm going to blend that with the liner just to darken the look a little bit right on the edge here, but not all over the lid. Okay, and now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll be back for the rest of the eye look. Okay guys, I finished the rest of my face and I am back, and now I'm going to do the bottom of my eye. So I'm going to first go in with this color called Fiddlehead. I'm going to apply this with a MAC 221 brush, and I'm just going to apply this throughout the whole bottom area of my eye. Now I'm going to go back in with this brown color called Puffball, and I'm going to use this color on my Makeup Shack T81 brush again, and I'm just going to use this color to help me blend out this green a little bit more for me. Now I'm going to take this color called Emerald City, and I'm just going to put this along the bottom on top of Fiddlehead just to brighten it up a little bit. And now I'm going to take a little bit of this color called Let It Rain, and I'm going to put a little bit of this on the very end. Now I'm going to go in with her eye pencil called Marigold. I would use the other one just to show you guys what it looks like, but I feel like this is just going to be a little too dark in the waterline. I kind of want to brighten it in the waterline. Now I'm going to take ColourPop's Crystal Face Jewels for the inner corner, just like that. And now I'm going to put on my lashes and my mascara, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how this turned out. I love the green. You guys probably know that I don't really wear greens a lot, so except colors like this, but with browns. All the colors blended out flawlessly. I love how deep you can take the look from something a little bit more lighter to something more deep as well. I'm also wearing her lip gloss in the color Wildflower this time on top of my lipstick and liner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this look down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!